Morning students, welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to start unit 6 worksheet 3 which is at page number 94 of our book. There are word problems in this worksheet, so let's discuss the first word problem. Mr. Kumar purchased a sari for rupees 485.55, a shirt for rupees 269.40 and a tie for rupees 65.25. Find the total money spent by Mr. Kumar. Beta, you all know in order to find the total of something, what should we do? Just add all the things. So, what will we write here? Money spent for sari is given. Money spent for shirt is given. Money spent for tie is given. So, before adding, just fill all the vacant places with 0. And after that start addition as we did in worksheet 1. 5 and 5 10, 0 carry 1, then 5 4 2, this will be added 12 and 2, then carry again 1, then it is 20, 0 carry 2, 8 plus 2 plus 6 plus 6, it is 22, again carry 2, 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8. 820.20, and don't forget to write rupees. Unit should come before the answer. So this is our answer. Total money spent is rupees 820.20. Come to the second question. The height of Ram is 1.75 meters. His brother Sham is 0.5 meters taller than Ram. Height of Ram is given and Sham is this much meter taller than Ram. What is height of Sham? What will we do here? If height of Ram is given, Sham is already taller than Ram, then we will add both the heights to get the height of Sham. Height of Ram is 1.75 meter. Sham is taller than Ram is 0.5 meter. So what will be the height of Sham? We will add. How to add? Just fill the free place to make the decimal like. Then 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 5 12, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2. It's 2.25 meter height of Sham. Come to the next question. A shopkeeper had 32.5 kilogram apples, 25.25 kilogram mangoes and 9.75 kilogram pears. What is the total weight of fruits he had? So, such kind of questions we have already discussed, that this quantity of apples. So what will we write? Weight of apples, weight of mangoes, weight of pears. Then add all the things to find the total. Total weight of fruits, we will just add all the things. Okay, so this question you will do on your own. Come to the next part, D part. A milkman sold 26.55 liters milk on the first day, 35.755 liters milk on the second day and 42.5 liters milk on the third day. Find the total quantity of milk sold on 3 days. How will we do? Just write milk sold on first day, milk sold on second day, milk sold on third day, then total quantity of milk. Add all the things. Okay, this question also you will do on your own. Come to the next question. Anjali spent rupees 25 on ice cream, rupees 17.50 on chips and rupees 12.50 on a pen. So find the total money spent by Anjali. This question is so simple. As we have done first question of the worksheet. Money spent on ice cream 25 rupees. Money spent on chips 17.50 rupees. Money spent on pen 12.50 rupees. So total money spent. First of all, as there is no decimal, means the decimal is at the end, and we will add 2 zeros here to make the decimal like. After that, just start adding. It's 0, 5 plus 5 10, 0 carry 1, then 7 plus 1 8 plus 2 10 plus 5 15, it's 5, carry 1, 2 plus 1 3 4 5. It's 55.00, and as there are zeros after decimal, so we can leave also. Then the answer is rupees 55. This is the total money spent by Anjali. This completes our worksheet 3. Worksheet 3, let's start subtraction of decimal numbers in worksheet 4. How to subtract two decimal numbers? Subtract 16.53 from 28.94. First of all, arrange in columns. The number which is after the word from will come first, 28.94, and then first number will come 16.53. Then subtract simply 4 minus 3 1, 9 minus 5 4, decimal 8 minus 6 2, 2 minus 1 1. This is the answer. Let's see one more example. Subtract 28.56 from 36.486. So firstly we will write 36.486 minus 28.56. So we will make these decimals like. Add 1 0. 6 minus 0 it's 6. 8 minus 6 it's 2. 4 minus 5. As this is not possible, so we will borrow 1 from 6 to make it 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. Decimal will remain as it is. And what will left at place of 6? 5. 5 minus 8 again not possible. So we will again borrow. 15 minus 8 is 7. And 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay. The 0 which is at the left side of decimal number, we can leave that. So our answer is 7.926. Okay, in this way, now let us start worksheet 4. First question at page number 95 is subtract. This question we will solve in book only. 98.86 minus 26.62. We are discussing B part of the question. 6 minus 2, 4. 8 minus 6, 2. Decimal 8 minus 6, 2. 9 minus 2, 7. This is the answer. Let's discuss one more part. Here this place is vacant, so fill a 0 here. 9 minus 4, 5. 8 minus 1, 7. 2 minus 1, 1. Decimal 3 minus 8 not possible. Borrow 1. 13 minus 8, 5. 13 minus 6, 7. 0 minus 0, 0. This is the answer. Come to the next F part. 7 minus 5, 2. 0 minus 3 is not possible, so we will borrow from this 3. 10 minus 3, 7. 9 will left here. 9 minus 2, 7. Again 9 is here. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 2, 7. And 2 minus 1, 1. This is the answer. Remaining parts of the question you will do on your own. Come to question number 2. Arrange in columns and subtract. Subtraction is same, just we have to arrange the column. The number which is after the word from will come first. 95.97 minus 71.86. 5 minus 6 is not possible, so we will borrow 1. 15 minus 6 is 9. 8 minus 8 is 0. 5 minus 1, 4. 9 minus 7, 2. This is the answer. Come to the next. As these are not like decimals, make the like first. C part. 5 minus 0, 5. 9 minus 8, 1. 11 minus 2, 9 after borrowing from 1 from 6. 5 minus 5, it's 0. 8 minus 1, 7. 4 minus 3, 1. This is the C part of the question. Next, D part. 26.4. So we will add two zeros here. As 0 minus 8 not possible, so borrow 1 from 4. 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. 3 minus 3, 0. Okay, now 6 minus 9 again not possible. Borrow 1. 16 minus 9, 7. 1 minus 1, 0. This is D part. Let's discuss one more part, F. In this, 22.05 is subtracted from 319.019. Add 1 0. 9 minus 0, 9. 11 minus 5, 6. As we have borrowed 1, so 9 is left. 9 minus 0, 9. 8 minus 2, 6. 11 minus 2, 9. And 2 is left here. This is the answer. And remaining parts of the question you will do on your own. And your homework is complete worksheet 3 and 4 of unit 6, page number 94 and 95. Thank you.